Your MG isn't just a car. It's your daily companion, your weekend get-to-week ride, your trusted drive. That's why it deserves expert care only an authorized MG service center can provide.
MG certified technicians are specially trained to understand every detail of your vehicle, ensuring accurate diagnostics and precision repairs. Plus, we use 100% genuine MG parts, engineered to match your car's original specs. That means better performance, longer life, and most importantly, your safety.
And with every visit, you build a complete service history, boosting your MG's resale value.
Trust only authorized MG service center. Because when you take care of your MG, it takes care of you.
MG Motor Philippines.